Imagine with all your mind, believe with all your heart, achieve with all your might. Good morning, everyone. I, Pavitra AC, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, ATME College of Engineering, Mysuru, feel privileged to welcome you all to the inaugural function of second IET National Level Student Technical Paper Presentation organized by the Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineer, Mysuru Center, Mysuru. Any event without God's blessing is incomplete. So, I request Ms. Priya MS, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, MIT, Mysuru, to render invocation.
मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशितेवदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् न ते तरातिभीकरं न मोदितात्खभास्वरं न मत्सुरारिपुच्चरं न तादिकापदुत्तरम् सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं त्वमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरं मधेश्वरं त्वमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरं महेश्वरं त्वमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम्
Thank you, Ms. Priya. It was divine. Now, I request Dr. S.R. Bhagyashree, Honorary Secretary, IET Mysuru Center, Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, ATMEC Mysuru, to welcome the gathering.
Good morning to one and all present here. At the outset, I would like to thank the members of organizing committee for their extraordinary efforts in making this conference into reality. I would like to welcome our esteemed guest, Senior Principal Scientist, Head, Business Development Division, Editor, IJTL, JSIR to the second IET National Conference. I welcome you, Madam. A warm welcome to our distinguished guest, Professor Dr. Bakal, President IET for this inaugural function. Dr. Bakal sir has been a great pillar of support in all our endeavors. A hearty welcome to you, sir. I cordially welcome Professor M.J. Sampath Kumar, Chairman IET to this function. I welcome you, sir. A hearty welcome to my teacher. A hearty welcome to my teacher, Professor Sia Natraj, past Chairman IET to this program. I welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome office bearers, executive committee members, members of IETE, session chairs to this program. A gracious welcome to session coordinators for today's function. Durlabhyani Karyani Siddhyanti Prodyavirehi Shilapi Nutamyati Prakate Narmaso Nuhuti. With efforts, even impossible things get accomplished. Even a rock gets thinner with repeated fall of water. Dear authors, this national conference organized by IET will become a stepping stone in your career. I wish this helps you to publish more and more research work in Scopus and H-Index journals in the days to come. Thanks for being with us. Before conclusion, I would like to say we have around 100 papers. Out of 100, around 65 papers are being selected for presentation. The presentation takes place in 11 different tracks led by a session coordinator and a session chair as a jury. I wish in the coming days we are going to have the national conference as an annual event, and we are going to increase the standard of publication in the district. Thanks for being with us. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. I also welcome Dr. S.R. Bhagyashree, Honorary Secretary, IETE Mysuru, Professor, Department of EC, ATME College of Engineering, Mysuru, to this inaugural function. Welcome you, ma'am. The most technologically efficient machine that man has ever invented is the book. Now, I request all the dignitaries to release the proceedings of second national level student technical paper presentation.
I request the participants to mute their phone.
Keshav, I think you can stop.
Thank you. Thank you, dignitaries. Now, I request Dr. Parmeshachari BD, member IET Mysore Center, professor and HOD, Department of Telecommunication Engineering, GSSS IETW Mysuru, to introduce the chief guest of today's inaugural function.
Very good morning to one and all. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good morning to one and all. At first, on behalf of IET Mysore Center, I would like to introduce Ms. Charu Verma, Senior Principal Scientist, CSIR, National Institute of Science, Communication and Information Source, NISCAIR, New Delhi, Head Business Development Division, and also Editor, Indian Journal of Technical Knowledge, Traditional Knowledge, Editor, Journal of Scientific and Industrial Research. She is a senior member of IEEE and CSI and fellow of IETE and other life members of professional bodies. She did BE from NSIIT in the year 1996 and she is a President Gold Medalist of the batch. She did MBA Technology Management from IIT Delhi in the year 2001 and she is Gold Medalist in MBA. Currently pursuing PhD in Big Data in E-Governance from DTU, Delhi Technological University. She is having more than 24 years of experience in industrial and research. She worked in electronic device automation in Duet Technologies, Noida.